we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words and some of the most mispronounced ones as well in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? In British English, this is normally said as orchid, orchid. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the or syllable, orchid. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as orchid, orchid in American English versus orchid in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.